Hi there General Maths students, and welcome to the first video for the bivariate data unit. In this video we're going to be plotting the graph of a line. So this involves some substitution and involves some plotting of coordinate points in the Cartesian plane. So we're doing this equation here, y equals 2x plus 3, and we're going to fill in this table of values and then plot the points on this number plane. So the working out here involves substituting x into this equation here to get the corresponding y values. And you notice that these x values have been given to us. Typically we choose values like this that range from about, say, -2 to +2, or in this case slightly above that, up to +3. They're up in steps of 1. Just so that we get a uniformity to our x values. So let's go ahead and work this out. -2 times 2, times -2 plus 3. So we're putting a -2 where x goes. And then the next one will look like this, -2 by -1. So we put -1 where the x goes this time. So just backtracking to work this out, we need to be good with our directed numbers. -2 times -2 is +4 plus 3 gives 7. So our coordinate point will look like this. The x value we put in is -2 and the corresponding y value is 7. So we'll plot these points in a minute, but you might want to go ahead and pause the video now and see if you can work out the rest of the coordinate points, and then I'll have a go at it and you can see what I get. Okay, I'll try it now. -2 by 1, -1 is 2 plus 3 gives 5. So -1, 5. And I'll just work out the rest of these. You can actually start to see the pattern after a while, that we're stepping down rather in 2s. This one gives us 1. And finally -3. So moving across to the plot now on the graph, each division can just represent 1 here. So that's 2, 4 up that way for the y values. 2, 4, 6. Going up that way, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can imagine, then across here would be 1, 2, 3, and in this direction -1, -2, -3 for the x values. So the first point, -2 for x and 7 for y. So that will put us here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 1. That point is here. And then -1, 5, -1 for x, 5 for y, right there, 0 and 3, and the dots should line up in a straight line. 1, 1 is right there, -2, 2, -1 right here, and the last one right there. So we should be getting a straight line for the dots. If that doesn't occur for a straight line equation, then you should recheck your working out. Righto, so go ahead and check the description for the video for the questions that you should try for this one.